Hi everyone, Marcus Halsucci here to do a short video on how to draw squares using a Sensational Blackboard and to make tactile art. So I have a standard piece of copy paper here on my Sensational Blackboard and just a normal ballpoint pen. I'm going to draw a square really quick so you can just quickly observe how I do this. So one way we do this is I have my pen here in the top left corner of my paper. My non-dominant hand is ready and waiting to kind of feel what I'm doing. And with the pen on the paper, I'm just going to draw a quick horizontal line to make the top of the box. And then when I get to the right corner or the right end of my line, I'm going to draw vertically down about the same distance. And then I'm going to come across to make the bottom of the box about the same distance. And I'm checking to see how close I am to how parallel I am with this line and how close I am to the end of where I started the drawing. And then come down and close with the left side of the box. So we started with the top, drew a horizontal line, went vertical to draw down the right side of the box, went back across to draw the bottom of the box, and then connected the top and the bottom with the left side of the box. And there are a variety of ways to do this. That was just straight lines. Another way to do this is to kind of sketch the lines. This might be easier for students that are newer to the drawing until they get more used to moving in motion with the pen across the paper. So with my non-dominant hand, I'm pointing with my index finger where I want to start my square. I have the tip of the pen against my finger, and I'm going to start sketching kind of back and forth with small horizontal movements of my pen as I gradually move across the paper from left to right until I have about the 2.5 inch line or 3-inch line here. With the tip of the pen now at the right where I stopped drawing the line, I'm going to draw moving the pen up and down vertically as I move the pen downwards to make the right side of the box. And I'm going to use the space between my middle finger and index finger of the hand that I'm feeling my drawing with to kind of gauge the length of this line, and then keeping that distance and sort of measuring how far I want my line to go to make sure that these are sort of equidistant or equal. So there's a lot of feeling that you want to do to kind of feel across, feel down. I'm feeling with my whole hand, my middle and index fingers are moving. And now to draw the bottom of the box, you try to keep it parallel. My middle finger is going to trace along the top edge of this box back to where I started drawing it. And as I move my hand from right to left, my index finger is going to try to stay in the same position. And with my pen down on the bottom right corner of the box, as I move my hand from right to left, I'm going to bump the pen into my index finger, keeping my middle and index finger at the same distance splayed apart from each other, and guiding my hand right to left until I feel the end of the line with my middle finger. And I get basically a nice parallel line to the top and bottom of the box. And now by feeling where the top left corner is, I'm going to draw a vertical line down to the bottom left corner between my two fingers here. And you can connect and make the left side of the box. And with enough practice, you can do this pretty quickly. But essentially, you just draw top of the box, right side of the box, bottom of the box, and then connect the three sides together with the left side to create your square. It's a really quick intro on how to make squares.